it's been a while since I've made a YouTube, so I just want to show you a craft I made in just a couple minutes and for very little money. Like literally I paid $1 plus change for a grapevine wreath, and I picked some of the weeping willow branches off a tree in my yard for free, and I used some crafting wire that I already had and a pair of scissors. Okay, this was so easy. I seen some peace sign wreaths online that were quite pricey, and I didn't want to spend that, so went looking for sticks and didn't have much luck with that. So with this weeping willow branch, you can see here it's very easy to bend. I just cut it with scissors from the tree, and then I just made a peace sign, and I used my crafting wire to adhere it, and on the back I made a little hook. And so I'm not finished with this. I want to take some white lace and hook it to the back here and then hang it on a mirror in my dining room. That's the plan. But I just made this a few minutes ago, and I thought if you too wanted something that would be super cute for spring, that was very inexpensive, maybe a project with your kiddos, you might enjoy this as well. And just had to share. Ooh, now it's gonna hang crooked. All right, well, peace.